Are you a founder or high-level entrepreneur stuck on the endless content treadmill? It's time to find a better way to scale. The mainstream advice tells you to post more, chase virality, and be louder. But what if that's the lie holding your growth back? Here is the truth. Most founders don't have a lead problem. They have a system problem. Are you trading all your time just to satisfy social media algorithms, living paycheck to content piece? This constant hustle is a drain on your energy and revenue. It's time to move beyond the conventional wisdom and adopt a radically different approach to authority and client acquisition. Meet Vishal Baurai, the contrarian growth strategist who helps high-level founders prioritize infrastructure over influence. Vishal's core belief is simple. Visibility without systems is just noise. If attention doesn't convert automatically, it's just vanity. This is why he founded Swarigio, to provide the systematic backend infrastructure that turns followers into paying clients. Swarigio specializes in building quiet lead machines, which are automated funnels designed to work for you 24/7. Swarigio works exclusively with high-level entrepreneurs, coaches, and consultants, typically in the 6 to 8-figure range, who are serious about scalable growth. The goal is simple. Escape the daily content hustle and move away from rented land dependency towards true lead independence and predictable client acquisition. It's time to define the solution that high-level founders are now installing behind the scenes. A quiet lead machine is a psychology-backed, AI-driven sales funnel designed to filter and convert passive attention into high-ticket clients automatically. These assets work even when you are offline, generating booked calls and delivering pre-sold leads right to your dashboard without constant manual prospecting. Stop chasing validation and start prioritizing velocity. It's about building infrastructure that lasts, not content that fades in 24 hours. If you are a serious 6, 7, or 8-figure founder and recognize the system leak in your business, this is your next step. This invitation is not for micro-influencers or hobbyists. It is for founders who are ready to build a legacy and leverage their time for maximum profit. To start uncovering the gaps in your current client acquisition, DM the word audit to @Swarigio or directly to Vishal @VishalBaurai on Instagram. Stop guessing and start installing a quiet lead machine. Discover what's truly broken in your current system today.